Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you some budget-friendly ways to add character and charm to your builder grade or new construction home. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. One thing I'm very attracted to in older homes are the windows. They have a ton of character, they're charming, they have detail that builder grade and new construction homes don't normally have. So you can actually add that charm into your existing windows by using snap-in window mullions. These are gonna create those grids on your windows that really make your windows look charming and special. They'll also add a ton of style to your home, and it really leans into that more antique European look to your home. Of course, you could get all new windows with the mullions already built in, but that is super expensive. So if you're working with what you have, you can still create that exact same look by using snap-in window mullions or vinyl. So these are both removable options that are custom made to fit your window size, and you can just pop them in and take them out if you ever change your mind. You can really lean into different design styles by choosing a certain grid pattern. They come in different colors, black or white is pretty typical. I think this is such a great option that will really add a wow factor to your home and definitely add that charming touch to your builder grade space. I'll link a few products down below that I think would be a great place to start. Another design element that really stands out in older homes are the doors. The doors are usually solid wood, have a ton of detail, and they just don't include those beautiful pieces in builder grade homes anymore. But you can add them in small ways. I would suggest looking for old antique doors and implementing them into your home in small ways. That could be your front door. It could also be your pantry door in your kitchen to really bring your kitchen to life. It could be your closet door, the door to your bathroom. You can look for interior doors, exterior doors, or even French doors. You can find old antique doors on Etsy. You can find them on Facebook Marketplace. You can go out to your local thrift and antique shops and you will find old doors. I think this is such a special way of really connecting this old and new and implementing that character into your space. Now, I think every home could use a good nook. Nooks really create a lot of character and charm, and they're always found in older homes, and you can absolutely include them in your home as well. There's so many different types of nooks, so you can really choose something that's gonna function well for your home. I love breakfast nooks. They're so cozy, they're inviting, they're comfortable. They just make your kitchen feel very charming. You can also have little reading nooks, and you can build these into your existing spaces. Maybe underneath a window would make sense, or in a closet that you're not using. Creating little reading nooks out of existing spaces would definitely add a ton of charm to your home. If you have kids or work from home, maybe find a little place that you can create a work nook or homework nook. Really squeezing these into small areas of your home and turning them into something more will make better use of your home, but also make it look really special and charming. Now, don't forget about your ceiling, because there's one little thing that you can do to your ceiling that's going to make it look like it has character, it's been there forever, it has that charming look, and that's a ceiling medallion. These come in many different styles so that you can find the right look for your home, but these look incredible around a pendant light or chandelier. They're gonna draw more attention to that light fixture, really ground it, almost like a rug grounds your furniture, and it's just gonna finish it off and make it look a lot more unique and regal and just more beautiful, really. You can go simple or ornate. There's so many different looks you can create with just a simple ceiling medallion. If you already have existing lighting that you really want to show off even more, I would definitely recommend installing a ceiling medallion around it, and you're gonna have instant charm in your space. Okay, call me crazy, but I am loving the look of painted wood checkered floors. That diamond checkered pattern is stunning when it comes to tile, and it's always gonna be timeless. It's that classic look that you can choose that's gonna last forever. But when you see it painted on old wood floors, there's just something so charming and special about it. I just love it. In every single color, in every style home, I think it's so charming. Now, since it is paint on the floor, I don't think it's gonna last forever. So this is something I would try out for a fun project if you have old floors that are kind of on their last leg, and maybe you'd rip them up eventually anyways, or maybe you're planning to install flooring on top of them. Maybe just try out painting them first and see what you think, because I think it definitely brings some new life to old wood floors and mimics that look of classic tiling. Even if this is just a little temporary project, I think it would just bring a lot of joy to your home. Now, builder grade bathrooms are not always the prettiest. They don't have a ton of charming details. They tend to look pretty plain. And I think one thing that you can do that would just add a nice decorative touch and make your space look more charming would be to replace the builder grade mirror. You can take those down and install your own beautiful mirror. It could be a brand new mirror, it could be an old antique mirror, and that would just add some charming detail to your bathroom. If you have a double vanity, install 2 mirrors above. This is where you can even play with the scale of your space. So if you have high ceilings, you could do long mirrors that are really going to emphasize the height of your space and just add so much more detail. If you're not changing anything else in your bathroom, change that mirror and it's going to make such a big difference. Now, of course, I'm all for new construction bathrooms with new tile and new fixtures and all the bells and whistles, but one place that you can really add character to in your bathroom is your bathroom vanity. You don't have to do the typical built-in lower cabinets as your vanity. You can actually have a lot of fun there and use alternative furniture to create a vanity, and that would add instant character to your home. You can thrift an antique gorgeous wood furniture pieces like dressers, console tables, anything that will still mimic the same size and height as your typical vanity will work for this. You can paint these, you can sand them, you can stain them, you can still have your modern sink, your modern and brand new fixtures, but on this gorgeous antique furniture piece. Now, typically every builder grade and new construction home is finished with trim and molding. Baseboards, door trim, window trim, but usually those choices are very small and minimal. So one thing that you can do is actually just beef up your trim. You can add to it. You can even paint up your wall the same color as your trim and then add a little trim piece on top to make it look like you have some extra height. You want to create the look of the classic trim pieces that you see in older homes. You'll see crown molding and extra high baseboards, even wall molding. Wall molding will always be something that works when it comes to creating character in your home. If you want to add detail around your space, absolutely try doing picture frame molding or board and batten, depending on the style of your home. I just recently installed picture frame molding in my family room, and it is the one thing that adds a ton of character to that space. I did it all on my own with very minimal tools, and you can absolutely do it as well. So I'll leave my family room makeover video down below in the description box so you guys can watch that little tutorial. Now, never underestimate the use of curtains and drapes. This is something decorative, easy, that you can install that's going to create a lot of charm. I find builder grade homes to be very flat. It's window, wall, very, very flat looking. So to break that up and add softness and texture, something a little bit more whimsical to your space, you should install some drapes. These are really going to accentuate the height of your space, the width of your space, and highlight the architectural features of your home. They can be functional and decorative and really emphasize the design style of your home. If you have long, wide walls in your home with small windows, add in a ton of drapery on the side to really make that entire space look bigger and make that window look larger as well. Also, cafe curtains. Cafe curtains just are sweet and charming and whimsical. They look perfect in kitchens, in bathrooms, in laundry rooms, anywhere where there's just a little sweet window. A cafe curtain would be great. They filter light, they create privacy, and they just add a little detail to a very plain space. So break up all of the solid surfaces around your home with some drapery. Now, homes with a lot of character tend to have some great curb appeal. You want to be able to see that character right when you walk up to your home. So one small, easy to install thing that you can add to the exterior of your home are these magnetized garage door hardware pieces. These are going to mimic the look of hinges and handles, and they snap right onto your garage door. So if you have a plain garage door that you think could use a little bit more detail, you can just snap these on in seconds and you have a brand new look. You can get them in different styles and finishes, so I'll link them down below in the description box. They're on Amazon. So don't forget about your garage door, because that's always a great place to start. Start on your exterior, work your way in, and disperse that charm around every area of your home. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you some ideas that you can use around your home. Let me know down below in the comments which one of these ideas do you think would make the biggest impact to your builder grade home? And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.